How many different currencies are you familiar with? You'll have to add another number to it very soon. The announcement of Zuck comes when Meta is growing its services around the Metaverse, a virtual world where people communicate, work, and play, even though it is still in its early phases. Meta is supposedly creating its own money, so the rationale isn't far-fetched. Of course, Facebook's rebranding as Meta made news as the corporation has vowed to take a different path and construct a metaverse over the next 10 years. You could shrug, but consider that Meta's applications are used by 2.8 billion people every day, accounting for more than a third of the world's population. As a result, Meta's actions are significant. Because Meta's activities are taken into account, you might be interested in learning more about its proposed new currency. To discover more about the new money and how it impacts you, watch the video till the end. As we get closer to Web3, every business wants a piece of the action. In recent months, Facebook has made huge ripples after rebranding to Meta and putting forth its aspirations to control the metaverse. Other big tech behemoths like Microsoft, Samsung, and Sony have gotten their fangs into the metaverse field with services like collaborative software, improved connection, and more immersive user experiences. Let's learn more about Zuck's virtual money. What is Zuck? According to sources, Meta is looking into financial goods. Meta is working on several projects, including a virtual currency that staff have dubbed Zuck. Zuck, which appear to be named after Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's creator, chairman, and CEO, are unlikely to be a cryptocurrency. Instead, Meta is considering creating in-app tokens controlled centrally by the firm, akin to the Robux money in the famous children's game Roblox. Roblox has made a sizable profit selling Robux, and Meta might aim to replicate that success on its platforms. Meta hasn't completely shied away from blockchain technology, as the business is considering posting and sharing NFTs on Facebook. According to a document, the corporation aims to begin a pilot program to accomplish precisely that in mid-May 2022. Meta will soon start testing participation in Facebook groups based on NFT ownership and another for minting NFTs. Meta is also looking at social tokens or reputation tokens, which might be used to award people for making substantial contributions to Facebook groups. Traditional financial services such as small business loans appear to be on the company's radar. Is this the company's first venture into financial services? In 2009, the social media network Facebook introduced credits to allow in-app purchases in games hosted on the internet such as Farmville. Despite its early popularity, Facebook Credits was discontinued after 4 years because international payments proved difficult owing to variable currency rates. Regulators prevented the platform's attempt to establish a stable coin connected to the US dollar. Therefore, the company's more recent cryptocurrency initiatives also failed. Libra, a cryptocurrency backed by many foreign currencies, was unveiled by Facebook in 2019. Still, it was met with opposition from politicians and central bankers who said it would weaken existing currencies. In late 2020, Facebook changed Libra to Diem after some of its partners abandoned the initiative. After many congressional hearings and high-profile personnel departures, Meta shut down the cryptocurrency project. Following concerns with federal regulators, the firm behind the cryptocurrency project Diem, which Facebook founded, sold its intellectual property and technical assets to Silvergate Bank for $182 million. Why is this new currency significant? Meta will depend on its capabilities to guarantee that its money becomes a standard. It has the world's largest audience pool with roughly 3 billion monthly active users on its apps, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Second, according to IDC, its virtual reality headset Oculus, which obscenely dominates the industry, is still in its infancy, with roughly 75% market share. A product designed to serve as a portal to Facebook's Metaverse, it was launched in North America in mid-December 2021. This implies we'll have to wait to see what the Zuck initiative entails, whether it'll be a cryptocurrency or an in-app token. Is Meta going to be able to keep its users? Meta took a blow from Facebook's daily active users falling for the first time in its 18-year history in its 2021 fourth quarter earnings. Investors were dismayed by the results, which included lower than expected profitability and user counts, prompting shares to drop by more than 20%. Meta has been experimenting with ways to keep people on its social media platforms by allowing them to monetize their material. A small number of US producers tested an Instagram subscription feature at the start of the year, which allowed them to create material that was only available to subscribers who paid a monthly fee. Let us know what you think of Meta's virtual currency in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more.